So this is last part of the retrofit series, and this one should be pretty short. I'll put bumper back in. Maybe gonna do some tests, drive around at night, so you could see how bright it is. I'm gonna secure this screw here, but I'm gonna use anti-seize because the bolt is pretty rusty. Same thing on this side. Looks good here. I put this plastic trim piece back in. And secure everything with a bunch of push pins. Okay, everything on top is secure. I'm gonna work under the truck. Forgot to show you how it looks here. Here it doesn't bother. The trim fit in just fine. On this side was a bit closer to the fender, so I had to make a hole on this trim for it to sit in securely. So on this side you might wanna put the bracket closer to here. I don't have much at the bottom. Only thing I have here is just this piece right here. I'm missing everything else. So this one I'll secure with 10mm bolt. And that's it. We turn our backs, we can't help, we're gone. This is our identity. So lights are definitely so much brighter, and I can see the white halos during driving. If HID is on, it will be kind of tough to see the white halo around it, but I think that's fine. I'd say on the negative side is I was not able to get the light output completely horizontal, and I'll show you. So this is a original headlight, and for it to be 100% horizontal, this point has to be exactly at 12 o'clock. And from what I'm seeing, it's very close, but it's not exactly 12 o'clock position. And I don't see a way to align it, to move it to the left or to right. This one is TYC aftermarket headlight. And on this one, it looks even slightly worse. So I think it's pretty much impossible to have those headlights retrofitted and have exact horizontal line for light output, unless there is some way to be able to turn this couple degrees counterclockwise or couple degrees clockwise. If there is a way, let me know. Maybe these things have to be cut and then there'll be a way to access something like this, but I'm not sure. So overall the project was not too difficult. And not just retrofitted headlights, but any new headlights definitely change the look of the truck. Main reason it took me so long to do this project was just figuring out headlight, trying to clear out those original lens. Obviously I wasn't successful at that, so I had to buy new ones, take it all apart, so that's what took so long. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you are doing the project, how your experience so far, how it turned out. I'll leave Amazon affiliate links for the headlights and all the parts I used to complete this project. Thanks for watching. See you next time.